Are you struggling to sell your Kindle books and wondering why they aren't flying off the virtual shelves? Don't worry, you're not alone. Welcome to Wombat Coaching. Keep watching as I explore the top reasons why your KDP books might not be selling and find out what actionable tips you can use to turn things around. So let's get started. Reason 1. Ineffective book covers and titles. Your book cover and title are the first things potential readers see, and they play a crucial role in grabbing their attention. If your cover design is unprofessional or your title is unclear, it can deter potential buyers. Invest in professional cover design and craft a compelling title that clearly communicates the value of your book. To do this, research popular books in your niche and analyse their cover designs and titles for inspiration. But don't just copy them. You can also use tools like Canva or hire a professional designer through Fiverr to create an eye-catching cover. Don't be afraid to test different cover designs and titles to see which ones resonate best with your target audience. Test cover designs and titles by sharing them with your network on social media to get feedback. You should be networking with other KDP authors as it's a great way to help each other out. Reason 2. Poor book description. A well-written book description is essential for convincing readers to purchase your book. If your description is too vague or doesn't highlight the benefits of your book, readers may not be enticed to buy. Spend some time crafting and captivating book descriptions that clearly outlines the benefits and value your book provides. Use persuasive language and focus on the reader's needs and desires. Use the built-in text editor to make your description stand out. You can also use basic HTML code to do this. Another tip is to use storytelling techniques to engage readers and make them curious about your book's content. Start by highlighting the main benefits and unique selling points of your book. If you are stuck with your book description, try using ChatGPT for description ideas. I've shown you how to do this in a previous video. Reason 3. Insufficient marketing and promotion. Even the best books won't sell if nobody knows they exist. Effective marketing and promotion are crucial for driving sales and reaching your target audience. Develop a marketing plan that includes social media promotion, email marketing, and collaborations with other authors or influencers in your niche. Consistently promote your book to reach new readers and keep your existing audience engaged. You can use YouTube to create videos related to your book's topic and mention your book in those videos. You can use other social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share valuable content related to your book and engage with your audience. Reach out to the influencers or bloggers in your niche for potential collaborations or guest posts to increase your book's visibility. Most importantly, learn about advertising with Amazon KDP and start using paid ads. You can start off with a small budget. Paid ads are the best way to get your book in front of potential customers. Have you considered building a brand around your book? Watch this video for ideas on promoting your books through a brand. Reason 4. Lack of reviews. Reviews play a significant role in convincing potential buyers to purchase your book. A lack of reviews can make your book seem less credible and less appealing to readers. Encourage readers to leave reviews by including a call to action at the end of your book. The easiest way to get book reviews is to ask for them. What better place to do this than in the book itself? Ask for honest reviews without sounding desperate. Remember, you can't pay for reviews. This includes cash or giving reviewers a free or discounted product. You can't offer reviewers gifts in exchange for reviews. You can't exchange positive book reviews with other authors, so don't head to Facebook or Twitter to find review swaps. You can give away free books, however, you cannot ask for a review in return. Have that call for action in your book at the beginning and end. Hopefully, if you are creative enough, you will inspire your reader to leave a review. By addressing these common issues, you can improve your K2B sales and reach more readers. Remember, success in self-publishing takes time and persistence, so keep refining your strategies and learning from your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content to help you succeed in the world of Kindle Direct Publishing. Until next time, happy writing!